Hi, welcome to my channel about robotics, physics technique and embedded systems. If you're new to my channel or haven't subscribed yet, please do subscribe via the thumbnail in the bottom right corner. As you can see, this video is focused on the Raspberry Pi 2 Model B+, which runs RaspberryPiOS. Last time I installed C#, or the mono project as it is called in Linux, and I made a nice attempt of getting something print on screen. However, given the fact that my Raspberry Pi Model 1 B+ is doing it graphical, not graphical, I want to make this one graphical, so I need to do it again and on a different way. Hopefully also using the GPIO right here. And if you've seen that video for the Raspberry Pi 1, well, I've run into a problem, so I hope to avoid that here. And in order to show everything, I will switch to screencast. Alright, screencast with obviously a camera set to the Raspberry Pi, then the VNC using Tiger VNC virtual network computing, with the terminal showing the command to run the executable. And I ran into a strange fact. Last time I had obviously to mount a share on my file server in order to run it from the file server, that is. Then I made a video about Raspberry Pi 1, which did not want to mount, so I had to add another share. And next thing that happens is that it doesn't want to mount the share in this one. So I had to delete the new share and then it takes the share. Very strange. Anyway, this is what is happening and this is good. And this is exactly the result that I should expect from here. However, like I said, I want to do it graphical, so I have to start a new project, which I will do right now. Okay, created another project which is called then Raspberry Pi 2 Graphical, located on my file server. Didn't change anything, so this is what it creates at first. I want to see first, does it run on my Raspberry Pi. So I'm building it. Build set to be successful. Then Raspberry Pi 2. Let's see how this ends up. Yeah, right, the graphical. And then I will have obviously a bin, then a debug with a capital. Okay. Could not load GTK sharp, so I'll have to probably install that first. Alright, and after installing the GTK Sharp 2 library, well, I can run it. It doesn't do anything yet, but I can run something. So that's step one. Now another step is get my own text in it and then make it somehow interactive. After some looking on or searching on the web for how I can put some text in a graphical environment, I found of course a lot of things that have to do with Windows, which I can't use. So for mono develop, and then I had to add, for one thing, system text, what didn't work out, but system IO does work out. At least it says 0 errors, 1 warning. So now I'm going to add this one and see if, oh, that is a disappointment. I really had hoped to have here something that I could use in that case. So this is not doing a thing. Hello, this is a graphical window. Once again. Okay. Will it do anything? Yet again, no. Okay, I have to find out why. Okay, what follows is, well, filling that window. And using examples on the internet has led me to nowhere, despite numerous examples. But I found out also via the internet how I can go to a design mode, which I find then this is the code and this is actually the window to be designed, and then I find out that I can just putting some text here and here as well. So this is my company, real company by the way, and I can build. Then this is the old example, and this is supposed to run, and yes, it does run. So it's not entirely the way I envisioned it, but it does work. Although label is not really label. How does it work here? Oh, exactly the same, and I have been able to put there some other label stuff in it, but it is sort of functional. And another thing is, by the way, that it had been quite a struggle to get this working, but this is the toolbox where you get all the things and then try to find out how to make it. Is it nicer? It looks nice. Is it better functionally? I have my doubts. Yeah, you can move it around, which you can't do with a text, but the idea is the same. And well, next step obviously is to get the GPIO working. Right, and the last thing to get GPIO working, add packages, and I have to get the NuGet. Okay, and then I have to find out GPIO, which is this one, device GPIO. And this should be easy to go. Instead, it won't do. So, okay, refresh. Package GPIO. Unfortunately, that is the only GPIO package it seems to have. It is quite recent, by the way, 16, yeah, oh yeah, there's American notation, 16 July of this year. But it's not working out this way. 1.5. And it says 1. So this is not helping. Yes, I got it graphical. But GPIO? No, not really. Too bad. I have to find that out as well. And that is it for now. A graphical interface running on my Linux laptop and on my Raspberry Pi. No GPIO as yet, as you can see, but well, steps are made. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, please do subscribe to my channel if you haven't done so yet. Give it a thumbs up and click the bell for notification. Also, consider supporting via either PayPal or Ko-fi, or becoming a patron for as little as €2 or $2 a month. Take a look at my Patreon page for much more information. Please also take a look at my website for much more projects. This one is obviously going to be continued. For now, you can also follow me via Instagram and Twitter. Stay safe, have a great day, take care, bye.